We'll complete how to read data from a folder. What does it mean? If you go back to your class files, sorry, raw data, you see there is a data reading from a folder. I copy this, I bring back to the class files. In this data reading from a folder, there is a raw data. If you click on the raw data, you see global underscore sales 2011, 12, 13, 14 files are there. Everyone, are you getting this?
Yes.
2011, 12, 13, 14 files are there. That means each files are separated. Is it combined? It is not combined. 4 different files. Yes or no?
Yes.
What this file is all about, if you open global sales 2011, it's showing the sales data for year 2011. If you open the data here for 2013, it is showing the sales happened for 2013, right? So if you open this here for data for 2014, it is showing the sales happened for 2014. Are you getting this, guys, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
ultimately, what is happening here? What is happening? Ultimately, it is happening this way is that you have to read data from a folder where in the folder you have given 4 different files. When you say data reading from a folder, right click, I can click on this Excel file, new workbook called data reading from a folder. How do you go for reading this data? Double click on this Excel file, go to data, get data from folder. Can you see this? From
Yes.
file to folder. It will ask you where you want to browse your data. I want to browse my data in the class file, data reading from a folder. I have a folder called raw underscore data. Inside this, how many files I have, guys, everyone?
Excels.
How
Four
many
Four.
files
files.
are there? Four
Four.
Four
files.
files.
11, 12, 13, 14. So it is saying here, the moment you say open, there are 4 files saying for reading, and the same 4 files it is doing writing. Are you getting this?
Yes.
Is reading 4 files here, writing 4 files here. Hence, you can say the below here combine and transform the data. This is where you come and you can say combine and transform my data. Does it make sense to all, everyone?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes.
can say okay. The moment you say okay, it is opening in a Power Query editor window where it shows the source name of the file. It is showing all the source files 11, 12, 13, 14. All the source files is reading here. Everyone, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes,
I
sir.
can say yes. Now I can see raw data is coming. I can say global underscore sales underscore 2011 to 2014. I give the table name like this. Since I've given the table name, click outside. You can see the table name is
Sir,
changed.
2014.
Oh, okay. 2014, right? Now it is coming 2014. I can say close and load my data. When I say close and load my data, what is happening, guys, here? It is happening in such a way. It's showing all the source files, 11, 12, 13, 14, has been combined into one file. Yes or no, guys, everyone?
Yes.
Now you can go to table style, light, remove these filter buttons, and you can see your data has been imported from a folder to one Excel file after combining all these files for you guys. Does it make sense to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now we have done this part. We will be moving here. Data reading challenge. What is called data reading challenge? Now look at here. There is a folder called data reading challenge. I can take this folder over here. I'll open this text file. Can you see there are 2 different files? One is text file, one is CSV file. Everyone, yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, Yes, sir. Sir.
What is the text file size? What is the size of the text file?
56,693 kb.
So if you convert that to MBs, what is that MBs coming? 1 MB is equal to 1024 KBs.
15 MB.
So you are saying that it is around 156 MB. Yes or no?
6 MB. Yes.
Now let's open this text file. What is see the text file, guys, here? What's the delimiter?
Comma.
Comma. Can you see the cursor is what? Before M, below it's saying line 1, column 1. Yes or no? Right?
Yes.
When you keep your cursor over here, what is saying? Line number 41, column number
1.
1. If it's a control and end, control and end is going for the last line. What is the line number saying? What is the line number saying, guys, here? Can anyone?
30 lakh 19,005.
30 lakhs 19,563. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Right. So when saying 30 lakhs 19,527, that means you have 30 lakhs records in this text file. The question is coming, am I be able to read all 30 lakhs records? Now let's do this. Close the file over here. No need to vary. So I'm just closing this file here. I will be going back to say data reading challenge. Open this Excel file, go to data, from text or CSV file, go back to the folder, data reading challenge, select telecom usage data.txt file. The moment you say import, it will be going for identifying comma as a delimiter. You can say load my data. Now look at here what is happening. It is reading the data now. Reading data for 1,89,000 records, 2,53, 3,14,000, 3,78,000, 5.05, 5.69, 6.39, 6.94. So it is going like this. Has it completed more than 10,48,000 records? Has it completed more than 10,48,576 records?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it going towards 30 lakhs records now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now let's see what is happening. Has it reached to 30 lakhs now?
No, sir.
No.
Okay. Perfect. It's saying that the query return more data than will fit on a worksheet. That means it is saying the query is having more data that can be fitting to this worksheet. Worksheet can manage up to 10,48,576. To continue and display as much of data as will fit, click OK. The moment you say OK, it is reading data as much as it can fit to this Excel worksheet. Now it is reading to what? A maximum of 10,48,576 rows. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? It is 10,48,576 rows. Are you getting this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it is not reading more than 10,48,500. This is the Excel limitations. Same thing for loan amortization. What you'll do here, data, go to this from file, text or CSV file, click on loan amortization CSV file. Now you just open the CSV file here. You can say load my data. It is reading data now here. Everyone, 1,18,000, 2,40,000, 3,61,000, 4,81, 6,03, 7,25, 8,44, 9,64,000, 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 13 lakhs, 15 lakhs. What is the message is coming? The query return more data than will fit on a worksheet. To continue and display as much of the data as will fit, click OK. So it is going fitting up to what? 10,48,576 records. Now the question is coming, what will happen to the remaining records? Remaining records, you cannot see, you cannot read the data. You can ask your IT team, whoever has provided this data to you, simply ask them, sir, can you please split this data of 30 lakhs to 5 lakhs each, 6 lakhs each, or 10 lakhs each, so that I can read this data in an Excel file? That's how we have to do it. If your data is more than 10 lakhs, you can always split the file and read this to multiple sheets. Are you getting this, guys, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Get over.